right, my people.
We don't show again.
I say it used me. You know, one person don't they when they say when picking don't they point hand somewhere. You be like say, is either Mama did there or Papa did there. Not be saying that people they point hand to say land. They say those people you know that land there, that one there, and all of that. So
this thing where you talk, so you know, say we been get one governor where they point hand that time. I just did.
From where to
where? No, I just talk
off the microphone. I know they like when you the on mic unnecessarily like this. Okay, my people, that's still on top of the Good Morning Nigeria show that we did this morning. And of course, not that but if you look around me, you can perceive some things where we say they happen. So we get a beautiful blend of coffee here in front of us, and it is tagged Nigerian blend. Happy coffee.
Happy coffee.
There is something about the smell of coffee where we say get as they do for body. So we get Oga Patapata for inside Happy Coffee for inside the house. You go join us on top of TV, Zoom. Her name now Princess Adeyinka Tekena, CEO Happy Coffee. Now the thing we say, coffee now one beverage we say everybody they take. Plenty people they take. In fact, they be like saying the most consumed beverage or one of the most consumed beverages where we see people they take from time to time. But the question now be say. What's be the right coffee way we supposed to get? Some people go tell you, say, oh, now Spain get the best coffee. Some people say, oh, Italy get the best coffee. Some people say, oh, this country. But this woman now, come they tell you, say, Nigerian coffee. Now the best. It shock you say Nigeria get coffee, abi?
It shock them. No, but it did now. We not just the use and way.
See, now be the thing. Because when some people want to go buy for supermarket, they go look the one way. Ah, let me see this one is Italo. This one is
foreign name.
But you see, I'm saying Nigeria get one of the best coffees we be say you get. And I'm waiting Madam Tekena to come tell us inside the studio today. And wasn't be the right way be say if you even make your coffee? Because me, get specific way where I like my coffee. If I make her first introduce her because her fine face dating.
She don't be online.
Good morning, Madam Tekena. Good morning. Princess Adeyinka Tekena. Good morning. Did you hear us?
Yeah, I did hear you.
I want to hear your voice well. Make her confirm and reconfirm you. I want to confirm your government. Well done. My name is Precious. And the gentleman beside me, by my left-hand side, his name is Edewo. Now, two of us now go follow you talk this morning for Inside Coffee Matter. Okay, if you do your
thing, thank you, my people.
Okay, so we want to talk about coffee this morning. We realize that you're very passionate about Nigerian coffee, specifically. We want to understand, say coffee as people like to do. Some people get different way they say they like their coffee. Some like them creamy, some without sugar, some with a bit of sugar or sweetener and all of that. First of all, tell us, what's be your passion about Nigerian coffee?
Thank you, my people. Thank you for this opportunity where you give me, make I talk this morning. It dark small. Today, now Monday morning, we don't take picking go school, so we just rush back, do this interviews. I thank you so much.
Thank you.
No wahala.
But if you look at one of the things will make me enter this business, we say when I did Obodo Ibo for a young person, I say Oyibo people they take drink they enjoy them. I can't read one book when I did school there where say how one man transformed the coffee culture for America. I can't tell myself, say if I get opportunity for future, when I go start business, a coffee I go do. So about 10 years later, when I move come Nigeria, I can't they do my studies. I can't they find out say Nigeria they grow coffee, Ogun State they grow, Taraba they grow. I can't they say when I go supermarket like you talk, I know they see Nigerian coffee. So I can't they ask myself, say what thing can't they happen? Say Nigeria know they drink Nigerian coffee, but Nigeria they grow coffee. Now those kind of questions will make me come start this business. Say if we truly get coffee for this country, why Nigerians no fit access our own coffee? Why we they drink imported one? Now it make me start this. I mean my broken English no strong.
They work. We manage them. They work. No worry.
I start the business. That's why I can't start the business for 2015 where I get one small grant. I can't use and research, the different states where they grow. Now we can't find coffee for Taraba State. So the coffee where you see for your table now for Taraba State.
Are you serious?
So as a matter of fact, as they talk right now, 15 states they grow coffee for this whole country.
Okay.
Now all the states they get south, southwest, except for Lagos, Taraba, Jos, they grow fine coffee. So my goal is we stay for our company. We want to put showcase for Nigerian coffee, make people know say which we get better one for this country.
Okay, so your coffee you go talk say it everything will concern your coffee, the source am for inside Nigeria. You know, say we get problem with, oh, we go forex money to use import this and import that. So everything will concern your coffee, you the source am from Nigeria, all the raw materials to the finished products.
Some of the raw materials we still they important, but the coffee will be the main ingredient. You know the important. Me, I know they use dollar import my coffee. Naira, you buy am.
I say they use naira. Okay, so as the matter come be, so we say you don't decide to do this one, and as Nigerians, people they like to they go for the thing where they carry come from outside, based on say they feel say that one they take time, they do them gradually to make sure say they okay. Now, how you take one convene, because the Nigerians, they go like to, the packaging guys look like, say, now from outside they come. When you decide to put this one, you don't feel, say, the competition, we don't there outside already, go affect this your own way you decide, say, you want to start. So, if you say the Nigerians go collect them as you take give them to them.
My brother, you see, my policy be say, me, I school for America.
Okay.
When I finish school for 2019, I take one-way ticket back to Nigeria. Say, na Nigeria, me, I won't come.
All right.
Come grow country. No be say we don't even know sweet. I even get man wey wan marry me. I say no, me I dey come Nigeria.
Okay.
Me, anybody wey know me know say me Nigeria na 5 and 6. Because I don't realize I don't live for abroad. I don't see how they carry their own. Anything where you carry well, it become better.
They go do it well.
So you know be say people you go better our own. Now because they carry their own, they put effort, they make effort to make their own good. And that is the only difference for us and them. Me, I don't carry this coffee for my head. As you see me, if you see me, now coffee they drop on my body. Because I don't do this business 7 years. And I don't tell myself, say, now our own better pass anybody own. And if you even plan out for where you did, now you will see, say, we don't put effort for packaging, for roasting. When we go, they compete with the Igbo man, because we put effort behind them. Now the only difference with that, nobody say one person will better our own. Now for us, we go put better effort, make correct coffee, so that people go they know, say, Nigeria said we did there. So no, they say their own better our own. Now the effort where we
give us, we'll make we test them.
Okay, so in the waiting you talk now, and as you talk, I don't even perceive the coffee from here. And if people when they drink coffee go know, say from the smell of coffee, go feed they tell how nice that coffee they or not. So as you talk, so you don't let us know, say our coffee now. This I know they call them your coffee now, our coffee because our own made in Nigeria coffee. So if we stand, the Ogbonge coffee them from different parts of the world, all them, all of those, I don't want to call their name them. Different coffee where people know. Where they go say espresso, the so that so all of them. So our coffee them fit stand these ones them well.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know one thing they even surprise all of you. The coffee where Nigerians even used to now no be na processed coffee. I they explain them like juice where you they squeeze from machine and the one where you they buy for import. This one no chemical are they there we could process them. Nigerians say the one where we they drink, so we know they drink Ogbonge coffee. They not teach us Ogbonge coffee from beginning. If you remember the days of Bongo tea, now then we they drink real coffee. But over the years, when we don't lose exports, we they export coffee in those days. Because if you check Nigeria for global map, we be big exporter of coffee for those days.
Yeah.
But because of oil, we lose all of our prowess to oil. But that time don't change. We don't put our eye for the mark. And the mark say Nigeria coffee must go to the world. We say we must export our coffee in value. Coffee where we don't process, which we go give them for London, go start make them enjoy them. Say na so coffee they take. So even for Nigeria, we got to appreciate our own.
Okay, so madam, Madam Tekena, in just 30 seconds, tell us what be the ingredients, how the person supposed to use make a very good rich cup of coffee. What be the things
you want to enjoy this one now,
the person want to enjoy good rich cup of coffee.
The first thing, no drink coffee when they put instant. Ask them say you want fresh ground coffee. Now the first way you go fresh ground coffee will come from beans. Fresh ground. Then everybody they like drink their coffee anyhow. So the other way in this day you go brew the coffee because now there the smell and the aroma there for you to enjoy. The way the man they do and for you, the young gentleman there, see how you take fun because they drink fresh coffee. You see me say fresh. You drink your coffee fresh. That's the best way to drink your coffee. Very best way. Fresh your coffee. You want it freshly grounded. And also, you can put milk, you can put tiger nuts, any way you like. You just enjoy it.
Oh, wow. Tiger nuts.
They tell people. Yeah. If we put the other one, Irish cream inside, anything you want. Don't pick am the way you want am.
All right.
Okay, make we go taste the coffee sef. Make I don't smell am. Make I taste am.
I don't taste am already. The coffee don't make it makes sense. As I see as the thing be, bros, you try the thing makes sense. It touch my soul and spirit. But as the level they be, madam, thank you very much for this conversation we'll get this morning. And it could say you don't decide to start this one, make we start to patronize our own thing. And it good as you put on for there, Nigerian blend. So they're not going to do mistakes. Say we not see them, we don't know, we don't know the name. We know say na Nigerian, na they do this one, and a Nigerian own be this. Thank you very much, madam, for joining us this morning.
I don't get words again.
You too much.
The coffee blow me off my mind.
We will definitely enjoy it, and we will make sure say Nigeria self go enjoy it. Chef Ken, I see you are ready for us.
Chef Ken,
may not be like
we
say,
don't top coffee.
Yeah, we are drinking coffee and we are not.
We're not digesting it.
It's not.
It has to be balanced diet.
It's a balanced diet.